Hello students, another easy chapter, statistics. The 15 years paper analysis from 2009 to 2023. So as for the current syllabus, 3 concept: mean, mode and median, and Vajay is deleted. So mean you have around 30 question from 75. You can practice problems related with step deviation method or assumed method, direct method. Whenever method is not mentioned, always follow the step deviation method. Also find one missing frequency, find two missing frequency. Also find the mean of, if less than class interval is given, convert into regular class interval and continuous class interval, and then find the mean. That type of problem you can practice, and this is very important part for section C and D in terms of mean. Whereas in mode you have only 3 types of problems are there. One is direct class interval to mode, or less than class interval to mode, and more than class interval to mode, and one missing frequency and 2 missing frequency. Only 5 types of problems are there in mode. That is the reason for less questions in mode section. Whereas in median we have a different collection of problems, particularly 2 missing frequencies are repeated board question, and a regular class interval, continuous class interval to median, less than class interval to median, more than class interval to median, discontinuous class interval to median. That type of problems you can expect in section D. And section C you can practice direct questions. If class interval is given, find the median. Apart from these 3, one particular sum, find mean, median, mode, that is not there. That is combined in these 2 exercise. For example, if 2 data are given, mean and any other value is given, find the third value by using empirical formula. You can use empirical formula only for 1 mark question. For subjective question you have to calculate mean, median, mode. If class interval is given, find mean, median, mode means, so using one single table you have to calculate mean as well as median as well as mode, but you can't use empirical formula to find the third value. If class interval is given, continuous class interval is given, find all the 3. Discontinuous class interval is given, find all the 3. And don't forget to apply the formula for median and mode. But before median and mode, both the formulas related with, for example, median formula related with median class, modal formula related with modal class. So write all possible very important steps. Don't skip any step to get full mark. Okay. Good news for students of class 8 to 10 CBSE and State Board. If you are preparing for board exam or JEE or NEET, so join our Telegram channel, Marvel Classes, for free sample papers and short tricks videos and sample papers for annual exams. Also join our Telegram channel, exclusive for math question papers and math videos. And if you want to check concepts through videos, join our Telegram channel for mathematics, Marvel Maths, for science subject, Marvel Classes. If you want in videos in Tamil, Marvel Classes Tamil, Marvel Classes Tamil. Here the videos are only in Tamil. For English, science subject, Marvel Classes, and in Marvel Math you can watch concept based videos, problem solving videos, exam tips videos, and paper analysis videos. So if you subscribe that video, you can easily get all board support videos. Subscribe our YouTube channel, also join our Telegram channel. Thank you.